To kick off the 2019 Cairns Cup, we're here today at the Community Day with Scouts BSA, which as of 2 days ago are now allowing girls to join the scouting program. So we have our very first all-girls scouting merit badge for chess.
A group of girls who came out to get their Scouts Merit Badge, and these are among the first girls ever to get this badge. It was really exciting. I gave a little presentation about some of the top tactics from women players in the world, which I thought was a really fun kickoff for the day and for the Cairns Cup.
So now boys and girls are both in the program. The kickoff was February 1st, so we saw that this was one of the first Merit Badge Skill Centers available for girls right after the kickoff. So we have 2 girls from our troop, very excited, and I see there's lots of other girls from the area that are joining. So it's really exciting to see such interest in the area.
Another thing that really excited me was to see the girls helping each other, because that's a lot about what getting the badge is. It's not just about becoming a good chess player, it's also about community and making sure that other people can get the benefits of chess.
Having the top female players in the world here in St. Louis is really a great opportunity for St. Louis area girls who have joined the scouting program to be able to see their idols and meet some of these amazing chess players and to learn what it's like to be a professional female chess player.